An example, a person is going to the masjid to pray Jummah and already start the Jummah time now. It's already azan for the Jummah and it's already start the khutbah. Even to give to his family some money for buying something, no, you cannot do it now. No, you must go to Jummah, you come back, and then now you can give money. So that is very important thing now that we need to implement on this. Right now, why the Muslims are in big problem? Because they are not caring about the Jummah. Everywhere in the world today, they don't mind about Jummah. Jummah time, they talk, they waste the time, they do buy and sell. They don't close the stores. Many Muslim countries, they don't close the stores. They don't start the business at all. And it is haram. Allah said, Allah is commanded, wazarul bay. Allah is commanding with very hard words. Wazarul bay, leave off your business. Stop your business. Imagine the 7 days, 24/7 you can do business. Every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, every day you can do business. Only for Friday, only for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, you cannot give it for Allah to stop your business, your cell phone, your transaction, your online business, everything is bad. Shut down your office, shut down your shop. I don't like to do any business now because Allah tell me, Wazarul Bay. Stop all your trading, all your buy and sell. So that's always my important topic. And I feel very angry also especially when I was used to go to Golden Mosque Yapo, and I go and already azan, and I'm going inside to start the khutbah, and I saw the stores around the Golden Mosque are all open. They don't mind at all that Allah is commanding to stop your business and go towards the remembrance of Allah. People are heedless. And that's why the Muslims are in big trouble today in the world. They become like the slaves of the West, slaves of the enemies, because they are not minding the command of Allah on the day of Jummah. That is a very great sin. It is one of the greatest sin you can commit in your life. It is like the sin you are murdering someone, that you are not minding the command of Allah in the Yomul Jummah. So that's one message I really wanted to give.